My name is Dave Holdorf. We're here at the Takeo Comfort Solutions booth here at AHR Show. And one of the things that we pride ourselves on here at Takeo is training. So we have very different avenues of training, obviously the virtual and in front of people too, where we've done webinars during the COVID world and factory training classes where you come learn everything about Takeo. What we're exploring right now is now getting into the world of virtual reality training. So not just webinars where you're learning about things, but now in the world of virtual reality for our technicians out there. A lot of the factory classes that we do are teaching you how and design-wise. Now what we can do virtually is how to install, how to repair, how to service. And we're just starting to scratch the surface on that and exploring it with another company called Interplay Learning. And what they have is this background where they've already worked with a lot of trade schools, and now we're trying to make it specific to Takeo products. And for example, in building a boiler room and doing tech support in that mechanical room virtually, so you can get your newer technicians up to speed without having to bring them to a real job site. So as you can see here on this screen here in a residential setting, and then what you'll see in a couple minutes in the next part of the video is we're going to see a commercial pump. And with that commercial pump, we may be able to see where and how to replace, say, bearings or replace a motor, and doing it as if you were standing there in front of it, but learning at the same time, because if you put it together wrong, it's not going to work. So making sure you take it apart in the right sequence as well as put it back together in that same sequence. So a lot of ideas are floating through. One of the things that's interesting about strapping on a headset is it's really cool, right? And again, the cool factor is there, and we want to make sure though that it's useful. So we've got a lot of work to do, but we've got a lot of great partners out there working with us to bring training to the next generation and the next level out there.